Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I pack or how I do my boxes when I do ship them to Africa. So I've shown you guys how I do the barrels on a video couple months back, but I never showed you how I do the boxes. So we're in the month of November going on December, and it's time to ship some things back home. So I went to Home Depot and got these boxes from there, and now I'm just going to show you the different sizes that they do have. They also have an extra large as well, but I didn't purchase those. I only have 3 of these as well. So next I'm going to show you the different tapes that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using a duct tape and a packing tape as well. So they do have it, the packing tape, which is the clear one. I got it from Home Depot, and the duct tape I got it from Walmart, but you can also get it at a Home Depot as well. So it's very simple, but it's just a couple of layers that you have to do. That plastic bag that you see right there is the one that's going to go into the box before all the items are being placed in the box. So now I'm just going to try to assemble the box with my helpers. Oh my God. Yes, I have some helpers in my house and stuff like that. So you guys, yes, they are very handy in my house, them kids. So so yeah. So basically that's what I'm doing now, is just to assemble the box and tape them, and then put the plastic bag into it. And then after that, after you put the plastic bag into it, and then you put the items or stuff that you have to put in the box, and then close the box or put whatever you have to put on top of the box, and then seal the box. And then after that, tape it back again. And then after that, you use a rolling, it's like a rolling plastic that they use. I think the color is like green or something, which I didn't do here in this video. But in this video I'm only showing you how to do the boxes, just the basic way for now. So yeah, I will go more in depth. I think I have 2 more videos coming up on how I pack my family things, shipping going back home. So yes guys, I'm gonna double tape them as you see here. I'm gonna double tape them with my helpers. And yeah, I mean, it's very easy, and the cost effective is very cheap as well. So I make use of those boxes as much as possible. So sometimes if you don't have much to ship, you can use these boxes, and it will be less cost effective instead of doing a whole 150 cost. So you can just do these boxes and just pay maybe $50 or $60 depending on the sizes of the box. So yes guys, now I'm just gonna let you go and watch the rest of the video. But like I said, these boxes are cost effective, very cheap. They were like 2 something, all depends. I think the highest I paid for the large one is $2.45 a box. So yeah, so let me let you go, okay, and watch the rest of the video. And just watch out for a couple more videos after this coming up. So if you know you like this tutorial, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and join the family. And I thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helps someone, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys.